Hey guys, do you want to see the best way to clean up your silver, gold or copper items? Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please take a minute to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon below before your way out so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Today I'm going to share 4 ways to clean up your silver, gold and copper cutleries or jewelries and which one is most effective. I will share my views and experience. Please share your opinion and thoughts in the comment section below. So the first technique is the most clean and hygienic one. You boil some water and add some baking soda and aluminum foil into it. Now add your small jewelries and cutleries into the boiling water. Basically what happens is aluminum is more active metal than silver, so single replacement reaction occurs. The electron flows from aluminum to silver, and that's how the silver gets back its original shine. For the next technique, I tried Clorox disinfecting wipes, and I must say this is not certainly the most effective way to clean. It is great if you have very little spare time in your hand and don't really care how shiny it is. If you know what I mean by that, you definitely need to use your muscle here because there are some stubborn spots which are not easy to clean. You can see the dirt coming out, so it's definitely cleaning. I also used the same wipe to clean up my copper teapot and cups. It worked really well and I'm happy with the end result. Well, the third technique is a little weird. You pour some tomato ketchup and spread it with a soft brush. You don't want to miss any corners, so dab it firmly. When you cover the entire surface, leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. After that, wipe it off with a paper towel or soft sponge and wash with warm water. This technique takes longer but no harmful chemical and safe for your hands, so I recommend this technique. The final technique is definitely the most effective one, but the chemical is very harsh for us, so safety is very important. Rubber gloves are must here. I'm gonna use TARN-X, which I bought from Walmart, and it can clean variety of metal including diamond. Don't use any sponge to clean. Use some cotton squares instead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and soak my cotton square with chemical and start rubbing the surface. Here is the warning: never ever exceed 2 minutes. If you clean more than 2 minutes, then eventually you will damage the item you are cleaning. So this technique is the quickest and most risky one at the same time. When I'm done, I'm gonna wash the item with warm water. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the process for my remaining stuff. Trust me, this technique is the winner. I know it is not necessarily safe for us, but the end result is extremely satisfying. To be in safe side, I would probably wash them later in dishwasher, but come on, they are spotless like new. So I would definitely use this technique in future with all my safety kits, of course. I also cleaned my gold and copper items with this chemical, and I cannot tell you how happy I am. They turned out as clean as new. Hope you really liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also share with your friends and families, and let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.